edit my videos when I put them on YouTube. I just straight put them on YouTube, so that way it's not too long. So resume. Oh, to put my mousey back in the window. Okay. Okay, jumping off the cliff now. Pausing for one more second. Make sure my mom's still with me. Okay. I think there's a blue resident gem spot like right past the save point, if I remember right. Oh, it must not have been here. Oh, there's a key over there and I didn't even notice. That was like a lucky accident. Okay. Let's jump down here. Okay. Here's a blue residence gem area. I think this is the one that takes, yeah. So if I jump into this thing, it'll take me back to the beginning of this area. But since I don't wanna, I wanna get that other blue residence gem spot, we're gonna. Ow! That was a lot of bombers. Oh, shit. I'm gonna try to jump a little bit. See if I can't, like... No. Ow. Oh, that was dumb. Super dumb. Hey, I leveled up though. Oh, I'm gonna die. Eat a bunch of nuts. I ate them all. I need to change my food item. Pretzels sound good. Okay, I think it was back here that that residence gem area was. Yep. Oh, but I don't have a red one. Ooh. Okay, so we just need a save point at this juncture to go back to the caverns. Actually, no, we should go back to town first. So, oops. We already saved game. So now we're gonna teleport. We're gonna teleport back to town. Okay, so if we want the transmitter so that she can make us items at any time, we'd have to go to Abide's Forest and wander around to find the thing. But we're going back to Aurora's village. Real quick, because we got those items for him.
Here are those materials you asked for, Fail.
Great! Here's your payment. If you're willing, I could use your help again. There's a rare material out there that I've heard can be distilled into a very strong lacquer for armor. Of course, I'm talking about slime. If you could bring me 4 slimy spikes and 4 slimy coats, I'll pay you handsomely. I'll even throw in a little extra since it's likely to be a bit, well, slimy.
Alright. Do I have those things? Nope. Weird. I think I'd have a little bit of slime. Okay, so now we gotta go back to another save point and go back to the underground thing. Or we can just take the long way, I guess. Oh, that's a challenge area. Here's a save thing. I was like, I know there's a save point around here somewhere. World map. Oh, I don't have a teleport stone, so I can't do the teleport thing. Just gonna take the long way. Don't have a red one yet. Okay, here comes the giant. Ah, no. Ah, I suck. Yeah, got it. Oh no. Ah, he poisoned me.
What is this?
You've been poisoned!
When you're poisoned, your life slowly drains down to nothing. If you don't take care of it soon, death is inevitable.
I can probably just wait it out.
Stop pretending you're so tough! Here, take this mushroom. It'll stop the poison for now. You can thank me later.
So, mushrooms. Ah, dang it, stupid. No, I don't like this. There, the thing that's trying to poison me is down. Some pretzels. Okay, and now like on the other side of him, it's not pinned against a wall. Jeebus. Okay. Got it. Yay. Wait, I didn't wanna... Sure. I guess we can only go to that location. No peeing on me, damn it. There's treasure in this area somewhere. That's what Fidget's telling me. Probably somewhere I can't reach yet, but we'll see. Got some foods. Food's always good. I got that treasure chest. I wonder. Let's jump back up here. Or try to. I did it. I jumped. Properly. First try. Woo! Whoops. Okay. Ah! Yeah, we're just gonna go down. Because I can't jump. Okay. 1 jump. 2 jump. 3 jump. Made it. Okay. Up here. I want to see if maybe there's like a item I missed or something. No. This Fidget still says that there's a treasure item in this location somewhere. So makes me wonder where that treasure item would be. So I got that one. Not at the shop. Is there like a different way to go? Over here? I think that's pretty much a straight shot. Nope, straight shot. Okay. Bought a few keys.
Your transaction is
Most appreciated. He can just stay there. Oh no! Okay, there we go. My jumping was all kinds off. Gobs, 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 gobs. Oh no, give me gobs. Yeah, I can't get those keys until I learn the slidey thing. Need to know that slidey thing, man. I think I learn it soon. Ah, okay. Oh no, not a giant. I don't like giants. I got it! Wow. that was freaking amazing, and all of that was good luck. I did not plan that. I should say I planned it, because then I'd look like super amazing gamer, but no, I flailed, hit the X button, and it worked. Killing mantis thingies, walking around. Oh, we don't need to go down. That's that. Oh no, there was that area down there. Oh no, I had a red residence gem. Okay, up. Did you see that magnificent whiff? Oh, come back. Fine then. It'll live to see another day. Don't pee on me. I'll ask how long I'm gonna be playing. I don't know. I wanna try to get to the next boss, but, I also have chores and stuff I have to do today, so probably 15 to another 30 minutes. Oh, I fell. Ow. I leveled up. It was quite violent. And once we get past this next boss, that's about as far as I've actually played this game. So, everything from that point on will be new. Well, it's good, because she has chores to do too, and she can't apparently stop watching me. So. And then, I'm gonna also do this tomorrow. Katie and Kenny work 1 to 6, so I will be playing well, they're both at work. This is kind of, you know, Tony's alone, let's do something fun thing. No. No, don't pee on me. Got it. Okay. Look at this map. There's a... Oops. Oh, you know, that's where I wanted to go. Up. Alright, if you look at this map, we went to the left last time. Somehow. There's also a way to the right. Looks like there's just like a room, probably with some treasure in it. Let's see if I can't grab that quick. Wee. Looks like I got a new ring. And it's... I'm not alone, Mom's here. This is true. Ring. Oh, it was a blueprint. It wasn't an actual ring. Oh no. Got it. Now that was on purpose. You can call me amazing for that one. Oh, that's probably how you go to the right, up this climby wall thingy that I can't climb because I don't know Haven't got the ball of learning for that yet. I like how I was all scared of the praying mantises and you guys have only seen them hurt me once. The first time I played this game, they kicked my butt. No escape. I must hit the things that are outside of my escape range. Okay. I think we're almost back to the city. And then it might be a lot of cutscenes, so depending on how many cutscenes there are in the city, I might just stop once we get back there. Okay. Oh, I got it on a poke! See that, guys? Actually parried him on a poke. That never happens. Oh, the peeing guys. Ah! No! Go away! Okay, these things... they silence her, so I don't like them. I usually go overboard to kill them. Alright. Critical hit. Wow. That was pretty badass. Hey, there's one of those things I need for that item that I want her to make me. Oh, they silenced her. See how she's all that black stuff's covering her up now? It's because they silenced her and she can't talk, which means I can't do the firestorm. There's a black sheep and a key. I can't get over there. Up. Whee. Okay. Alright, here's that fun spot that... oh, that'll heal me. It'll heal me or hurt me. One or the other. Oh, that's gonna hurt me. Mom said that sucks, go get a ball of learning about the slidey thing. And it's around here somewhere. Red one's hurt. Red one's hurt. Alright, I'm gonna pause for... okay, that's blue, that's fine. For a second, because there's a thing, you guys can't see it, there we go. There was a thing that popped over my game window. Oh, heal me. Yeah, so I closed it. Up. Shop. Okay, do you have the item? No. So, oops. I didn't want to talk to you.
I am here.
Okay. Enter sell mode. Sell him. I think I got it. Yeah, this flat PC thing. I needed 2 of those for that item I wanted to make. So now he is going to have it, which means she should also have it. Next time I want to make it. Okay.
Your trend.
Actions most appreciated. Oh! That's what I get for looking at my phone. Okay, we're almost to the town. If you look at that little mini-map, that 4-way thing to the left, that's the town. Say that as I go, right? Oh, treasure. There's another slidey thing. Have to come back. I bet you that's how you get that black sheep. You go in that slidey thing. Okay. Well. Stand here and they'll come to me. Ow, ow. I thought that everything behind me was dead. Red thing? Sorry for the cough. Ah. Okay, this could be kind of scary. I don't like fighting inside these things. Oh, it's blue. Heal me. Yay. Blue heals me. Red does not. Run away. Okay. Town. Yay, we made it back to town. Okay. So now, I want to see how many cutscenes there are in here. That must be the sick dad.
He's sleeping peacefully. Let's leave him alone.
Oh, it's a pretty kitty cat. What? Me? It's a flying cat. Oh.
She's not a cat, little girl. She's a... I don't even know what she is.
I'm not a cat, you dope. I'm a nimbat.
Is that what you're called? A nimbat?
Yes, hello. My name's Fidget. Maybe we've met? Can I hold it? I want it. Just do something. It's trying to grab me with its little child hands.
Don't worry, Fidget. Sorry, what's your name?
Moa.
Well, Smobop, I'm sorry, but as much as she might look like one, Fidget is not a toy.
Hey! Ooh, I want her. She talks. I'll trade you. Look, I've got this box thing. Hey, Dust, look. That must be Reed's box.
Tell you what, next time I go to the surface, I'll see if I can find a suitable replacement. Then we'll trade.
Phew. Good idea, Dust. You know, that shop in Aurora had some things. Maybe the shopkeeper could figure something out for us?
Yeah, maybe he can make us some kind of fidget doll for her. After all, she's far too young to take care of a pet like you.
Yeah, way too much responsibility for... Hey!
Yeah. I just called Fidget a pet. Oh, man.
Well, howdy there, big fella. Am I hearing the local gossip right? You and your flying mongoose are gonna save our village?
What the heck is a mongoose?
Quiet, Fidget. And yes, you've heard correctly. Is this the way to the ladies' chamber?
Well, yeah, but I don't think you're gonna fit through this here hole in the wall. We had to close up the passage recently to keep those crazed nematodes from coming out and attacking the village.
What the heck is a nematode?
Anyway, seems to me the only way you're getting through is by sliding. I'd kick you through myself, but you know, I got these fat little legs and they hardly keep me vertical.
I appreciate the thought, but I'll find another way around.
Here, boy, take this red resonance gem. It'll open up the basement, and maybe you'll find a better way down there. Just make sure to avoid impaling yourself on them spiky rocks and thorns.
Wait, your underground cave has a basement? How does that make any sense?
Hey, big fella, what do you say to me serving your flying rat a big old jug of shut-up juice? While you're down there, why don't you make yourself useful and collect me my hitting stick?
Your what?
You see, I use this here stick to do my hitting, but I lost her in the basement, and I'm honestly just too gal darn lazy like to go looking for it on my own. They don't have me standing around here for my good looks after all. Someone's got to defend this here hole.
All right, Blop. If I should come across your hitting stick, I'll be sure to pick it up.
You done find my stick? No? Well, what are you doing standing around here? How am I supposed to hit things without my special hitting stick?
Sorry. Oops.
Hello, dear. I'm going to hazard a guess that you're the outsider in town?
I stand out that much, huh?
Well, it's been years since I've seen someone like you, and it's been maybe 30 years since I've seen a nimbat like your friend here. What a treat!
We don't like flying into caves. You know, the dark, the cramped spaces, the endless gloom. That's endless, forever.
I'm sorry. Look at me going on. My name is Flo Hop, and my husband Gappy is up there in the pen minding the sheep. He's been so overworked that I was hoping to make him his favorite stew. But to be honest, I'm having trouble growing red moss with the wells running dry. I think I might have gone and made my last stew.
I could always help you find some of that red moss if you like.
Oh, I couldn't bother you for something as silly as that. I know where they used to grow, but with all these monsters about, I dare not leave Mud Pot.
It's no trouble, really. If I come across any, I'll bring them to you.
Well, aren't you a sweet one? Red moss clumps grow at the base of the large red mushrooms, and they tend to prefer perfect darkness. Just don't hurt yourself on my account. In fact, take this ring. It'll provide a little bit of light in the darkest of places.
Oh man. A little bit of light in the darkest of places. Makes my luck go down, but it ups my attack and it gives me light down here, which is also nice.
Well, good evening, youngin'.
How does anyone know what time of day it is down here?
I hear the two of you are helping out Poke Pop. He's in a bad way. Excuse me, my friends. Hope you don't mind, but I gotta get back to searching.
Did you lose something?
Actually, I did. I must have left the gate open, 'cause my flock of sheep seems to have gone astray. I'm afraid some of them may have gone past the edge of town.
I'll keep my eyes open for them.
Well, thank you, son. There's 6 of them out there somewhere. Believe you me, they're in for a good talking to when I get my hands on them.
6 sheep to find. We don't know how to do the slidey thing yet. I think that's all the people to talk to though, so now I just need to find a safe spot. Got it. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna end it. We'll pick up tomorrow. Probably like 1:30ish, and yeah, it'll be fun. We're gonna explore the basement for stuff, and hopefully learn the slidey thing, and try to talk to that lady. Get the water running again. Okay. Thank you guys. Oh, real quick, my mom just asked me how do I get the ball of learning to go through the slidey thing. So, if you didn't see like the previous videos that I have on my YouTube, when you learn a new ability, there's like a little pedestal, and then there's like a floating ball on it. You jump on the ball, you get the thing. I think the ball that gives me this ability is somewhere in the basement. Don't properly remember, but hopefully soon. Hopefully I get it soon. Hopefully we get it next time. All right, See you guys later. Bye.